Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Novak Vlogs, and if you're wondering why it's like this, I have a crack on my phone. Yes, I dropped it. Unfortunately, the grass broke off in my mom. Okay, so we're gonna do a taste on the No, just kidding. It's called the chocolate peanut butter Oreo, okay? So we're gonna taste it. So it has this is the chocolate and this is the peanut butter. So taste this. That actually tastes good. Let's look at the inside. Also, anyways, bye, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Bye. Again, if you didn't understand what I was saying, subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.